Well, howdy neighbor. Welcome back to Hammer and Saw Customs, right here on the Big Island of Hawaii. I'm old brother Bill, jack all trades, master of none. Today's little episode is going to be about me picking your brain on some serving trays. I made 3 of them, and I'm going to get your opinion on which one is the best, maybe which one you'd like to see built. That way I'm not building things that you guys got no interest in or wasting my time. Or hey, might even be better on the sales end if I get your guys' input. So come on in, rest your hands and face, grab you something to eat, snack, lunch, dinner. I don't know what time it is you're watching this. Don't forget that nice cold drink. We all know what Brother Bill's drink of choice is. So come on in and I'll see you after the intro. Well, howdy neighbor. Welcome back to Hammer and Saw Customs. Boy, that intro goes by faster and faster. Well, not only am I going to get your guys' input on which one of these serving trays that you guys like, but I'm going to get old Isahbella here. She's one of 3 of my 4-legged furry children. She usually gives me her paw of approval, or paw seal of approval. Like the pallet wood mega storage unit, and I'm gonna let her let me know which one of these and see if you guys agree. So I'm gonna pander to her for a minute, so you just stick right there, okay? All right, Isahbella, which one of these you want? You want this one? How about this one? This one? Is this the winner? No? How about this one? Is this one the winner? This one the winner? Oh, this one's the winner. Okay. Well, you saw it there first, folks. I never thought it. I'm kind of partial to this one myself, not the way the fence is. But apparently, she likes this one. Also, folks, it's getting close to Christmas, so Brother Bill's got a little PSA out there. If you get a pet, a loved one, a family member, for Christmas, don't let it just be for the day, for the week, or for the month, and then toss them aside. These little guys rely a lot on us, so just want to set that out there. Once you pick a pet, it's for life. And since they don't live too long, it's definitely for their life. So treat them well. Alright, well, we're going to give her paycheck for working today. And I'll come right back and we'll cover these a little more in depth. And we'll go from there. So stick with me. Be right back. Alright, Isabella, you say aloha, folks. I'll see you soon. Alright neighbor, while Isahbella gets her reward of treats and kibble and a drink of water for a job well done, just going over and say, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. Isahbella picked number 3. So, since she picked number 3, let's go over number 3. So, this was made out of reclaimed pallet wood, as you guys all know. There's the design, the layout. It's basically real simple, straightforward. Got some little brass handles. You can see that. On the back side, it's just got some feet. Everything's been sanded down. It's 4 boards, a strip. Now, if this is the winner, of course, Isahbella says it's the winner. This is the one I'll build next on. I'll build it on the show. I haven't built this on the show, so that's what we're here for. Now, my favorite, and that's just me, and hey, you know what it is this one here. Some people love the Hammer and Saw logo, some people just like the natural wood. That's fine, I got no problem with that. Same handles that we used on the first one, but this one's kind of countersunk. It's down in here, it's smooth, it's got this nice little gray wood rustic trim, it's got the nails, it's got the 3 strips in the back with the offset, and then some little tack feet, kind of give it a little raised look off the top of the countertop. And for those of us that like that real rustic, you know, caveman, man cave look, we've got the lighter wood, heavy duty handles. We got the strips in the back with some really industrial screws. And yeah, basically, you know, same units, same design, different look. So there you have it. Kind of quick, to the point, bada boom, bada bing. So I'm gonna let you guys tell me which one you like. So get those little fingers out, click clack down there on the old computer. As always, if you like, please subscribe, send some likes, shares would be great. And I think that's going to be about it. So to recap, like I just said, number 1, number 2, number 3. Let me know which one you like. Of course, if none of you say anything, I was going to build this one, but since Isabella said this one, I'll probably end up building this one on the show. That's if you guys don't outweigh Isabella's vote. So that means quite a few of you are going to have to vote. As always, let's remember our veterans, past and present. Let's also remember our first responders out there. They got a tough job. Brother Bill's going to miss you. In your next project, while your minds are thinking, always to stay focused on your project and hammer on safely. And just like these projects, I've never done one before. This is how they all came out different. So if you never can do it, you can learn to do it too. That's going to be it from old brother Bill. I'll see you real soon, and aloha.